This video explains how to create the configurable products in Keys Discount Magento. So here we have 12 products. See here 12. Then these are different configuration of the same base product, we could say. It's called Norton by Symantec Internet Security. And you have different configurations: 1 device, 1 year, 3 devices, 1 year, 5 devices, 1 year, etc., etc., 10 devices, 3 years. And different products may have completely different configurations. Some have only 3 or 4, some have 50. And so we need to do some legwork before you can even start adding this to the shop. We have to make sure that these configurations are set up. And then Europe is also configuration. In this case, it's all Europe, so we're not going to do a change. But if there was one that is Europe and global with the same name, then we can include those into the same product and then allow the user to select Europe or global, or Europe and Africa, or Europe, Asia, whatever the regions are. In this case, we don't see that as a configuration because it's all the same Europe. We just put that in the name. Okay, so there's the first step would be to look at the knowledge base, which explains exactly step by step what I'm doing, how to create a configurable product when you have this group or group it with X amount of days, set amount of years. So here, so first step will be check if the attributes that are set up for devices and years are covered or cover the values that you need. So you have to go to Stores, Attributes, Products, and check. Stores, Attributes, Product. And then I think it's called Years, or Year. Years. You click on it, and here you can see you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 10. We have 1, 2 we don't have, that's okay. 3, 5, and 10. 3, 5, and 10. 3, 5, and 10. Okay, so we don't need to do anything. Otherwise, and we even have unlimited, but we could do add swatch and add a new one. We could add here 7, for example. 7 years. And then we could drag it up here. If that happened, it doesn't hurt to have it. Save it. Okay, then the next one would be the devices. So these are actually the years. It's 1. I looked wrong. It was only I looked in the wrong place here. 1, 2, 3. That's all we have. 1, 2, and 3. The other one was the devices. 1, 3, 5, 10. So let's check the devices. 1, 3, 5, 10 is there. Okay, so that's good. We're covered. Next step. And here it explains how to edit and then reorder it. Create configurable product group in Magento. Check if these products are already in the shop. If you want to group them in a configurable product, you must delete them first and create them again with the process outlined below. You cannot, whenever you create a configurable product, you basically have to create each product again. You cannot use existing products in that configuration. So that's one of the important things. So we have to delete them. So it just says search for them and then select them and then delete everything. So that's an important step, and it's a little, well, sensitive in a sense that we cannot mess it up. So here we need to, this is even disabled, so that's okay. We need to go like this. Actually, Actually, this is wrong. It needs to be Norton. Here we have 11 records, okay? And normally there are 12. So let me just look at the schools to make sure you don't delete something wrong. 5001, 11, 12, and I'm checking here. 17, 5002, 5003, 5013, 15, 14, 16, and 19. So all of these can be deleted. Just make sure they're all have the name deleted. I'm gonna save this because I'm going to use it, and then go here delete. Now go back. After the products you wish to group in a configurable product are cleaned out from the shop, and I can tell you why we have those, because we imported the price list. So basically this got imported, but it was never activated. It was still disabled because they were not finished on the pricing. So that's one of the reasons we have that. Yeah, and we had that in the shop. So just start over. So go to catalog products, add product, configurable product. That's very important because once you if you don't do that, you can't change it. So this needs to be done right from the beginning here. Add configurable product. And then add product name. And let's just follow step by step. Set attributes to device years. 5, okay, so 3, 4, 5. Attribute set device years, or whatever the configuration is. Write the product name without the dy, so we already did that. And then enter the base product school with a G, because that is a grouping. This, we don't sell this, it's just a group. So the base will be the first one, 5001 G. We have this name, school. Enter the price, any price to start, and enter quantity 100. I'm just gonna put this. Keys discount. So make sure the keys discount price is different. Dollars. We don't even have CHF yet. 14. The base thing here is dollars, so 14. In stock, that's important. And there's another quantity, so that's not good. I'm gonna ask that. Why you have that? That's a mistake. Do this here too. The category is Internet Security Norton. And then select products and website. The screenshot I think is wrong. And then save, so that screenshot needs to come out. That's a wrong step there. And design, block, no layout updates. So that's important. Product in websites, here's like the store views. that I have here is stores, so they need to be checked. And then we can have a Swiss franc needs to be checked. And then design, no updates, and then save. And I think we can already add the image here. We made this was demo. Configurations. Under configuration, click create configurations, check the attributes needed for this group, click next. So it's 15, check the ones, device and years. Shoot. Configurations, create configurations, device in years. These are the ones that, and if we had a region, we would have one, you have to create it, and then it calls called region. And I would also check it. Next. And now we need to look which one do we have. We have years is 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Devices we have 1, 3, and 5. 1, 3, and 5. Next. Check all the values that are used in the group combinations as well. That's this. Next. And then here skip image uploading. We're not going to individual images. We could, but we don't. The same image is going to be there. And then click generate products. Two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9. If you missed one, you can still add it later. One device 1 we have here. One device 2 we have here. One device 3 we have here. The 3, 1, 2, and 3. 3, 1, 2, and 3. 5, 1, 2, 3. 10. This means we're missing 10. Okay. So it's a good thing I'm checking. So I have to go back and add the 10. In devices. Okay, now we have 12 different ones. And now the schools need to be updated here. And the prices and everything. So let's look here. Generate. Copy out the product names from the price list based on the attribute combination from here. To here. Correct the schools. Correct the price and save. So this is a little bit of copy paste work. Okay, that's correct. And the next one is, I need to make sure here you can copy it in the same order as the price list is one device 1 year, and one device 2 years. Okay, Control V. School is 2002. Price is, you can, for your, to make it easier, you can hide this, but you make sure you don't save this list because that's yours list. And here we have 3270. Then that I'm going to explain the euros later. 3270. So this is all US dollars. I've made a mistake. Let me look. 3270. Then the three. This one. You always check 1D3Y, 1D3Y. Guys, 2. Okay. And then you do all that. And then add an image if available, and then save. So let's do that. Let's go here. Save. Look. Supposedly, it should show the different groups. That's how the way we have to set it up. And then I need to update this. But that's basically the way how to enter it. Okay. Thank you.